Hi, I'm Susan Joel, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the sociology major at Springfield College. Let's start with some comments from one of our current sociology majors.
My name is Emery, and I am a sociology major at Springfield College because I would like to learn as much as I can about the society that we live in. And with my future career, I would like to be involved and advocate for social justice issues. What I love about the major at our school is the professors who are super personable and knowledgeable about the material, and they're always willing to help you when you need it and provide really great opportunities for us. And they're just awesome people, great to talk to, and yeah.
Sociology is the study of the structure of groups, both large and small, organizations and societies, and how people interact within these contexts locally, nationally, and globally. Sociology uses scientific methods to find empirical answers to complex social questions. When we understand what's happening in a society, we can work toward positive social change. Studying sociology fosters creativity, innovation, critical thinking, analytical problem solving, and communication skills. Sociology challenges us to see the world through the lens of different cultures and communities. Some very famous people have been sociology majors. Saul Alinsky, who was the founder of community organizing, the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., Jane Addams, the founder of social work in the United States, Michelle Obama, Kal Penn, an actor in Harold and Kumar movies, and Cory Booker, the current US Senator from New Jersey and a presidential candidate in 2020. Sociology majors tend to be fascinated with people and the world around them. Sociology majors are committed to helping people and to making the world a better and more equitable place. Sociology majors have the opportunity to explore topics that really matter to them, especially understanding and addressing current social issues. Here's another comment from another sociology major at Springfield College.
Hi, my name is Katie Noonan. I'm a sociology major because I really want to help people get the equity that they deserve, and I think that I want to pursue social work after I graduate, whether that's in the school system or with community development. I'm not exactly positive yet, but I really care about that. The sociology major at Springfield is amazing because the teachers really care about you and how you're doing, and they also care about making the path very specific to you and what you're passionate about, so you can really take classes that you're interested in that will really help you. That's awesome. You may want to be a sociology major if you really want to help people in every aspect and you really like working with people, because it's definitely a people person job and there's so many different ways you can go with it, so you're really not limited at all. Thank you for considering sociology. Have a wonderful day.
The sociology major prepares students for graduate training and careers in a wide variety of fields through the development of a broad knowledge of society, critical thinking skills, and the ability to evaluate and write about quantitative and qualitative evidence. The sociology major also prepares students for graduate programs and also for employment, because employers and graduate programs highly value these skills. Springfield sociology graduates pursue a variety of graduate training. They enroll in master's in social work programs at law schools, and they've also earned master's degrees in public policy, mental health counseling. They've obtained their teaching certification and also gotten master's degrees in public health. Sociology graduates pursue careers in a variety of areas in social work and social services. They become human resources professionals. They take positions in politics and government, in civil and human rights organizations. They work as attorneys and paralegals. They do a wide variety of research, and they pursue careers in criminal justice. Our program offers a lot of choice and also a lot of options to explore other areas that are related to sociology and or related to students' interest. The sociology major offers a concentration in social work, the opportunity to include minors and a double major in a related field, an accelerated BS MSW programs where students can begin their MSW studies in their senior undergraduate year, as well as an accelerated BS JD program through a collaboration with the law school at Western New England University. Sociology majors complete 2 internships in a wide variety of organizations and agencies, and we work very hard and very closely with students to find an internship placement that really meets their needs and their interests. We wish you all the best in your search for your next education adventure, and we thank you for considering sociology at Springfield College. If you'd like to talk more about the program at Springfield College, please contact me, Susan Joel, or Dr. Laurel Davis Delano, another sociology professor here. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the day.